Am I live now? For some reason this is not working. Can you guys see me? What's up, guys? Finally. This crap is so confusing, man. I am definitely not tech savvy at all. What's up, guys? Remember, we did, if you guys were here in the live stream yesterday, we put this target up here. We're a little short, but came out pretty close. I appreciate all you guys. Hey, what's up, Litecoin Master? How you doing, man? How's everybody doing tonight? So I want to take a look at Bitcoin real quick. If you guys are part of the Discord, not at all, Bobby. But if you guys are part of the Discord, let me move this real quick. You'll know I was watching this channel. Actually, this see if this is. It should be better. Hopefully it doesn't lag. If it lags, I'm done with live streaming until I go grab a new computer, guys. Yeah, do your own due diligence. This is not trading advice. I just wanted to point this out real quick. I was looking at this earlier. We were looking at this in the Discord earlier this morning. I had this triangle drawn in here, and I wish I would have noticed it this morning. But I'm going to get rid of this now. And for your trend lines, guys, I should have put it on these 3 points. Well, there would have been 2 points, but these 2 points here with that lowest one. If you watch, if I clone this line and put it up here, it matches up perfectly with the tip of there. So we definitely have a bull flag type pattern forming here. So this is the area we want to watch. I'm not going to play this. I got stopped out earlier today right here. So I'm not going to play this till we break one direction or the other. Is anybody in a trade right now or no? Just out of curiosity. What's up, big dog? If you guys remember too, I did say, we were talking about it yesterday, this channel I have here drawn in the white, and if we broke down, the measured move was down here, and that's still in play. I believe if we break down past this, the bottom of this channel here, I believe we're going to 6950 to 7,000 range, somewhere in there. Could go as low down to touch this this trend line down here at the, where's that at? 67, 62 range. But guys, I don't see it going much more than that. And you're long, Sasha? I'm long too. Most of you guys know I hold all my Bitcoin and Litecoin. I just do leverage trading, and I buy more with my profits. I have no reason to sell. And it is. I'd rather long Bitcoin than short it. That's for sure. I don't short Bitcoin. I'm not even gonna play. I'm probably not gonna play this if it does drop down. If it pops up, I'm definitely playing it. But I'm too scared to short Bitcoin. To be honest with you. What's everybody's trying to see what everybody's holding here, what your favorite coins are. Is D's nuts in here? Wasn't he saying nobody could see him talk or something? So anyways, let's take I want to look at that gold chart compared to the Bitcoin chart real quick. Oh, I got ETH up here. Let me get Ether off here. I want to take a look at this real quick. Yeah, I guess. Was he having issues in here or in the Discord? What's up, Crazy World Videos? All right. I just want to take a look at this real quick. I was kind of looking at it earlier. Kind of where we're at in this. If we flip over and compare it to the gold chart. And I want to zoom into the gold chart a little bit and kind of look at where we're at. And I'm still holding to that. I do believe we get to 46,000 by the end of the year, and I'm going to stick to that. And if I'm wrong, I'll admit it, unlike some other people out there that were calling for new lows that I believe they're wrong. They're still calling for lower lows. Anyways, if we look at where we're at on this, judging by what I'm seeing, I'm thinking we're right in this area, and this is, like I said, it's not going to play out exactly, but I don't think we're going to have a huge correction, guys. If we zoom in and look at what's going on Bitcoin, it's pretty much about the same thing. Yep. I think it's time for a different computer to do this. So anyways, like I said, if we look at that gold chart, where we're at here, and I do believe it's a pattern. It's a giant pattern, obviously, a macro pattern. Does anybody think that the bottom isn't in? I'm just curious if anybody here believes that the bottom isn't in. I'm not going to start a Patreon just because I don't believe in people charging for this stuff, man. I want people to realize it's not as complicated as people think. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to look at that. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know I have these trend lines drawn in here from each peak of the bear market down to where we broke down from the 6,000. And I do see us, I guess, possibly coming back down to this 6,600 area. But that's worst case scenario, I believe. I mean, there's always this one down here, but honestly, guys, I think this is going to hold up here. And like I said, I'm waiting on some big news. Something's going to happen. I do believe something's going to happen. I'm ETF, something big's happening. And that's, you know, just like I said in the gold chart, if we look at the gold chart, we're in the same area where the gold ETF got approved in 2003. But obviously on the Bitcoin chart. I don't know if you guys seen my videos from back in December, but right when we were at the bottom, that's when I started making videos and started calling the bottom, and I was catching all kinds of shit for it. Everybody was so sure that we had to go lower. And they're buying. I told them I'd see them at 7,000 when they were FOMOing in. Well, that's funny. But anyways, yeah, if you look at this, I mean, it's pretty much identical. I know it's the weekly, but it's the pattern I'm looking at. And I do believe Bitcoin's the new digital gold, man. We could be right here. It could be a correction, something like this. Go back over here real quick. That would bring us back down to the 6,000 area. If that was the case, I guess that's possible. I know it's nuts, isn't it? I mean, it's damn near identical. I love it. I do think, I mean, I really think it's going to play out. I trade patterns anyway. I mean, this is just a giant macro pattern. Like I said, times are a lot faster than they were back here, you know, and obviously the Bitcoin market's a lot smaller, so this, you know, can happen a lot quicker. Why it matches up to the daily chart. China and troubled countries are trading during out the night. Something's happening at night because every time I wake up, a big move happened, or I'm in the middle of it. That's how it always is. I noticed on the likes, there's usually like 10% of however many views there are gives a thumbs up. I think a lot of people too. I've had people actually ask me how much does it cost to subscribe. Like they don't know that you just click the subscribe button and it's free. Anyways, let's take a look at Litecoin. I haven't really looked at it today. See what's going on with it. Obviously, you know, this is still my target up here, guys. Unless we break down, you know, back to the $80 area. But obviously, I believe we'd still go up there anyway. But I'm still targeting this 167 area because of the cup and handle here. And if we bring this up from the neckline to where we broke out, that's where I had it higher before, but I think this is more in the range, and then maybe a correction down here and continue up, guys. But I still believe we got plenty of room to go up, both Bitcoin and Litecoin. This correction, if it is going to be a correction, which I said, definitely keep your eye on this. If you're trading or charting, following along, just want to know what's going on. That's a pretty solid channel there. I know we only have 2 touches up top, but we have 3 on the bottom now. And, you know, if we break this bottom one here, which we could, I'm looking at the 7,000 range. That's where I'm looking at. I know some people were talking about the 74. I think it was, yeah, the 74 area. But I believe in this measured move here of this. Whoops, sorry about that. I believe in the measured move here of this channel. And if we do break down from that channel, that verifies that for me. And I think we're going down to the $69,000 to $7,000 range. Thanks, Spa. July, we see 180 to 220. I'm sure I see that. I don't doubt that a bit. Do not doubt it a bit. We may even see it before then, man, honestly. I believe, like I said, something's going to happen here I'd say within the next 30 to 45 days that is going to be huge. And it's just going to be tons of FOMO coming in or tons of institutional money or something. Like I said, I truly believe in that gold chart. I'm using it as a guide through this whole thing, and it's been playing out perfectly. Yeah, I hope it plays out just like this. So where's everybody from in here now? What's up, BTC Monster? Portland. Thanks, Justin. North Carolina, UK, Vietnam. Man, it's crazy. People from everywhere. Have you guys seen anybody else doing the gold to Bitcoin chart at all? I'm surprised nobody's doing it. I haven't heard of anybody else doing it. I know Tone Vase did it, but he did it at the wrong end. He was comparing it to over here. Scotty. The only thing I'm seeing right now is I'm watching this channel here on the 4 hour. We could zoom in, I guess, go into the 1 hour and see if we're seeing anything. But no, I don't see no major patterns right now. Let me go into the 1 hour. Thanks, Bryce. I was wondering. The ARC. Was that you, Litecoin Master, that put in there something about the 2 arcs in my RSI, the boobies or something? I think that was you. All right, so yeah, I don't know. I'm just really watching this area, and I'd watch this right around the 64. I'd say if it breaks 64.40, it's probably heading down, guys. If we look at the 1 hour, we might get some resistance off this 200 EMA. But yeah, it's you guys in my Discord. I think I've posted some charts too. Another thing I like to use if I zoom in here is my EMAs here as they cross. Obviously, right now my 13 and 21 have crossed over the 55 EMA, and if a candle opens and closes under all of them after they cross, you know, then I'm pretty sure we're going down towards the 7,000 area. So, but that could change. They could flip back up and turn right back up in it. But just to show you guys what I'm talking about real quick, I'll try to find an example. And actually, yeah, I'm in the 1 hour. See if I can get to it. Yeah, this is laggy. I'm gonna have to get a new PC if I'm gonna be doing some live streams, guys. This sucks. Look at the RSI. Hold on, let me get back down in here. We'll start out with the daily RSI, I guess. See where we're at on that. All right. Put up the daily RSI. Yeah, this could match up with that $7,000 range. Obviously, if we come down here, that could be this move to get us down here. The more and more I look at this, the more bearish I'm getting. I hate to say I'm not bearish, I'm bullish, but I mean, this is a healthy correction if we get it. It doesn't bother me a bit. You know, we could definitely use a correction, but I do see that creating some more momentum for a bigger move up. Let's look at the 4 hour RSI. See what that's looking like. I think I had a falling wedge drawn in there. Yeah, it looks like we're falling out of that, guys. I think we may be finishing this correction off. And with the 4 hour, that would also line up right with that $7,000 range. So it's looking like we might be correcting, guys, but watch this area. You know, it could bounce up and get off of this, because if you look at this bottom line here, we have hidden bullish divergence. As you can see, we got a higher low here, a lower low here, and if we match that up to the chart, we got a lower low in the price and a higher low over here. So there's definitely some hidden bullish divergence there, guys. you know, it's possible we could continue up. Just keep an eye on these trend lines. It'll let us know where we're going, but I don't think we're going to go below the $6,900 to $7,000 range here if we do pop down. And, you know, this could end up playing out like I thought it was going to play out yesterday, but it could still end up playing out, bouncing around in here for a little bit. Get a... Where the hell did my drawing tool go? Spa, are you asking me that? I'm from the United States, and no, I've never been to the Netherlands. I went to where'd I go? Me and the wife went to Greece last year. That was amazing. We spent some time in Athens, and then spent some more time over on Crete Island. That's a beautiful, beautiful country, man. But no, I've not been to the Netherlands, if that's what you were asking me. Yeah, I think it would be a healthy correction if we fell down there. It'll be easier to read what happens next, too, once we do get down there. You know, we can kind of make some new trend lines and see what's going on. But I definitely wouldn't mind to see it drop here. I wouldn't mind to not see it drop there either, but it definitely wouldn't bother me. I mean, we could use a nice little correction, some cool off period, let the RSIs cool off. I think it'd be good for the charts. Let's look at Litecoin. Look at the RSI on Litecoin real quick. You're in the military, Jed? Is that why you're over there? Me too, Anthony. So weird doing these live chats. Everything's like way behind. All right, this is Litecoin. Looking at the daily RSI. Obviously, we're still in this channel. Look at the 4-hour RSI. Actually, Litecoin's looking more healthy than Bitcoin right now. As in, Bitcoin looks like it's going to correct. Saturday's a full moon. Yep, Litecoin, we're still in this rising wedge here in the 4-hour. Yeah, we could get some support off here and continue up for one more touch up. They could get us up to that 116 area. But if we do break down from there, obviously we have a correction. But the RSI is a pretty good indicator in this, in what's going on with Litecoin right now, for sure. But yeah, if we did break down, I do see us coming down and testing the bottom of this right here, this rising wedge, which would be around the $79, $80 range. I used to play in penny stocks. I've been in crypto since early to mid 2017. It looks like a giant penny stock, actually. Turbo rewind. Bitcoin will flow into Litecoin and will moon. Possible. It's usually what happens. I honestly don't know if it's going to be like 2017, though, where all them, low cap alts pump real super hard. I don't know that that's going to happen like that. I think it's going to be more of the top 10 coins, man. And there may be different top 10 by the time, this hits full force. Thanks for your service, Jed. Appreciate it, man. Glad you're back. So what's everybody's targets? Realistically, what is your target for Bitcoin? Let's start out with Bitcoin. What's your target for the end of the year? Huge fest or hug fest? I don't know. I don't think we're in a bear market at all. It's over, man. 52,000 says Sasha. 40,000 Anthony. Is it stupid to buy into Litecoin? I don't know. I don't give financial advice. I'm still buying it. $17.5 December 2019. Could be. I really believe we're gonna see that. I really do believe we're gonna see 46K, man. $12K. How high do you think people? What were people saying when it took off? You know, when it was at 3,000, 4,000 in 2017, you think anybody thought it was going to go to 20,000? I mean, I know there were people saying 1 million later on after the bull market started. No, I didn't. Kathy, I didn't get out of Bitcoin. I hold all my Bitcoin. I hold all of my Litecoin. I was trading. I was leverage trading. I got stopped out. Totally different. I won't sell my coins. $80K, 100 million. That'd be nice. Not selling to like 100K. It's easier said than done, man, when it's going up fast and hard. Greed is a hell of a thing, man. Tone told you 1K this week. Somehow I believe that. Like when he was on his way to consensus, said he was going to be selling Bitcoin. Will I wear the bullhorns when I hit 10K? I don't know, maybe. What's up, Sutback Suddy? Hyperwave is coming soon. $1K. I will shit my pants if we see sub 3,000. I'll do the McAfee. Bitcoin Cash? I haven't looked at it, man. And honestly, as slow as this damn computer is going, I promise I'm getting a new computer and I will be able to stream a lot better. But live, this thing is just lagging so bad, it's irritating. Mid 2020. I don't know. It's hard to judge that far off. That's why I don't understand them guys calling $1,000 and shit. Yeah, honestly, like the Ripple thing, I don't really care for Ripple either, but I mean, I'm not knocking no coins. You know, some are gonna make it, some aren't. I don't understand a lot of them, to be honest with you. I play with charts and I believe in Bitcoin and I believe in Litecoin, and I have a couple other smaller caps, other top 10 coins that I hold. Yeah, it's not the Brave network though. It's just I don't have enough RAM, I don't think, on this computer. I only have like 8 RAM on my laptop, and that's what I use for streaming. It works fine for videos, but when I'm streaming here, it's just horrible. Take it easy, Harry. Have a safe trip, man. You're welcome. LTC forecast next couple days. I don't know. I think LTC looks pretty healthy. I don't know that it's going to correct too much right here. I've had this rising wedge drawn here. And I believe we're going to stay in that. If we do drop out, you know, I guess worst case scenario, we come back down into this area. 77, 76 area. But I think we're going to stay in here, especially if Bitcoin continues to correct here. I think Litecoin's going to go up. But like I said, we have to watch these trend lines right here, guys. This is, we drop below this 76, I'd say 76.50 area. I believe we're going down to the 7,000. I'll try to pull up Bitcoin Cash. Whoops. I'm going to try something real quick. I'm going to try to speed up something on here and see if it helps or not. Nope. Let's see. I don't know if it'll let me do this while I'm... Nope, it won't. Streaming. Turn this up a little bit. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get this live stream to work a little bit better. Keep my computer from lagging. Nope, that didn't really help out at all. I'll probably actually start lagging more. Has anybody heard any new news lately, crypto wise? Anything different than anybody's talking about? $10,000 to $12,000 by Monday. It's possible. Lots of Savvies. Oh. Is this going to break down or what? I don't know. What I do know is it's a good year to be into crypto, guys. I think everybody... Ooh. The news is in the charts, Scotty. I'm just curious, what price did you guys buy into Litecoin and Bitcoin? Those that are holding some. What prices did you get it at? Just out of curiosity. Yeah, Dean, I've heard people calling the 6K. I don't know. It's possible, I guess. But honestly, this 91, 66, 20 plus 38.50, nice. 30, 25, 180. Have you just been holding, Sasha? $38.50, nice. I see the hyperwave didn't get a lot of you guys. Dope. Illuminati sheep. It'll come back. $42 to $266 between been holding since So you should be getting close to even, huh, Steven? 32 to 70. Nice. I actually bought most of my Bitcoin it was right around between 3150 and 3200 when I made that first video, and then I actually bought some more at about 4300. How much you want for it, Brian? I actually, right before the drop, I held some from when it dropped down from 50. I bought more around 20, between 25 and 28, and I actually just bought some more around 60. Dang, Dean, you've been in it for a while, huh? All right, guys, it's getting late. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I'm going to I'll be posting a video in the morning. Hopefully something will happen by then, and we'll have a better idea what's going on. You guys have an awesome night. I may stop in the Discord for a little bit tonight and just see what's going on. But anyways, if you guys are gonna trade this or you're in a trade, good luck, and be careful, be safe. Make sure to figure out your risk to reward, and have some risk management. Don't be making no crazy trades and use stop losses. Take it easy, guys. And if anybody in here doesn't belong to the Discord, there's a link below the video. Check it out. Come on in there. We have an awesome community. Everybody helps each other out. We have a good time in there. I haven't been able to get in there too awful much lately. I've been pretty busy. But anyways, thanks a lot for stopping in, guys. And I will see you in the morning. Take it easy. If I can figure out to turn this thing off.